So now let's see some more tools, that is 3D array. Let's create a box first. So this is a box. Okay, actually the layer is set to default. Okay, now so go to 3D array. It's very simple. It's very simple. 3D array. Select this object. Press enter. We have two type of array. First is rectangular. Go to rectangular. Now number of rows. Suppose I want 4. Number of columns. Suppose I want number of column as 6. Number of levels. Okay, means in the Z direction how many levels you want. Suppose I want only 2 levels. Let us take 3 levels rather. Now the distance between the rows. Let's take the rows distance be 300, column distance be 400, and the distance between the level be 500. Press enter. Now you will see that's the beauty of 3D array. Yes, that could have been done using a simple array command as well, but a 3D command, 3D array command is there, that's why. And here if you have done 3D array, no array edit option is possible because they are already exploded. Yes, however, you can group them all. Select those and you can group them all. See, they are grouped. You can see they are grouped now. Okay, you can move them individually or you can ungroup from here. You can move all together if they are grouped. Grouped already explained. Okay, so this is a 3D array. So it's very simple. Similar is the polar array as well. Okay, row, this is the call, see, this is, there are 6 columns, 4 rows and 3 levels. Okay, let's do undo. Now go to 3D array, select this object, press enter, go to polar, number of items, let us take 6. Okay, angle to fill, suppose I will fill the angle as 180. Rotate the arrayed objects. If you press yes, it will be rotated. So I will say yes. Center point, suppose this is the center point. Okay, so this is the center point. Actually, there must be an axis about which the array will happen because this is the 3D. So in this particular thing, the axis, for specifying the axis, you will have to select 2 points. So first point I selected this and this is the second point. So see, in the 180-degree, this 3D array has been made. This can be done using normal array command as well. Okay, so this is very simple and very easy. Okay.